AVNICUD Manual Coffee Grinder Adjustable Setting Conical Burr Mill Portable Hand Coffee Grinder with 2 clear glass jars 5.5 ounces each hand crank for precision brewing. 2 glass jars. The manual coffee grinder comes with 2 5.5 ounces clear glass jars. It is convenient to keep powders or beans during hiking, backpacking, or outdoors or small party with friends.Manual crank handle detaches from grinder for compact storage. Original flavor. Durable ceramic conical burr avoids overheating the coffee beans while grinding, maintains rich and original aroma for better coffee flavor, at the same time makes the grinding process more detailed. This hand coffee grinder is best choice for coffee lovers. Adjustable Grind Selector Manual Coffee Grinder with adjustable control. It can help you to get fine or coarse coffee powder, ensures you have precision, and control the coarseness of coffee beans, making for pour-over, Chemex, cold brew, French press, percolator, drip coffee, Espresso Turkish Brew Herb or spice grind, etc. Ultimate experience with lengthening handle. The manual coffee grinder can save you effort when grinding beans. No battery, power or long plastic cords to operate the hand coffee grinder makes you enjoy quiet mornings without any noises. Easy to clean. This manual coffee grinder is removable and assembles easily. The coffee mill, removable handle and lid, clear glass jars, etc. All parts of the grinder are washable. Easy to clean thoroughly to make coffee a fresh and flavor. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.